Hello my dear students, welcome back to your favorite channel NEET World. This is Vasavi ma'am, your biology educator. Yes, so students, in this particular session I am going to give you a complete clarity and overview on how class 10 CBSE biology chapters are directly linked with the NEET biology, my dear students. So I request all the students to be please stay tuned until the session gets end, because this session is especially for the 10th upcoming students, and if your ultimate goal is to become a doctor, then you need to follow a proper strategy, you need to be strong in your foundation, and you need to be thorough with the syllabus which is directly linked from the class 10 CBSE biology to the NEET biology, my dear students. So try to remember that when you are preparing for the class 10 CBSE boards, you keep in mind that you are preparing for the NEET examination as well. Yes, let's get started with this session. Yes, so here are the class 10 CBSE biology chapters, and these chapters are linked with the NEET, and these are the extra applications. Okay, these are the extensions of some chapters which are not present in your class 10th biology, but these are linked with the basics which are present in your class 10th. Okay, so here we are going to learn about the 10th CBSE biology chapters, okay, which are linked with the NEET, and which are extra chapters which are going to form the basics for your 10th standard. Yes, yes, look into this now. Yes students, so the first chapter in your 10th CBSE biology is life processes. So the life processes is the first chapter in your 10th standard, where you are going to learn different topics, okay, where you are going to learn the highly valued topics for NEET, like, yes, you are going to learn about nutrition, right? In the life processes, you are going to learn about the nutrition in plants as well as nutrition in animals, okay? So along with this, you are going to learn about respiration, excretion and transportation, okay? So here you are going to learn about the nutrition in plants as well as nutrition in animals, respiration, excretion and transportation in plants as well as in animals. So these are the main topics, okay, these are the main core topics which are going to be related and which are added in human physiology. Yes, which are added in the human physiology. Yes, when we look into these connections, okay, so please look into these connections and applications in NEET with regarding to this particular chapter, life processes, okay. So in the life processes, you are going to cover these four topics: nutrition, respiration, excretion and transportation in plants as well as in animals. Now look into this. When you are thorough with these particular chapter, then you are going to get a basic understanding of physiological processes from the foundation of NEET's human physiology unit. Are you getting this point, my dear students? So human physiology, in the class 12th standard, you are going to learn completely about the human physiology. So to understand that particular chapter, human physiology, in better, you are going to learn these particular topics now itself. In the 10th standard only, you are covering all the main core topics like respiration, nutrition, excretion and transportation, and these are going to form the basics, okay. These are going to form the basics for the human physiology unit, which is important for the NEET. Yes. So now let's move to the second chapter of your 10th standard. Yes. So in the second chapter, you are going to learn about control and coordination. Yes. Control and coordination is the second chapter of your 10th standard, and in this particular chapter, you are going to learn about the tropic movements of the plants, you are going to learn about the phytohormones, as well as you are also going to learn about nervous system and endocrine system. So these are the three main core topics which are important for the NEET, as well as when we see its applications in the NEET, okay. So when you are perfect with these particular topics like nervous system and endocrine system, it is going to form the core of NEET in human physiology, okay. Yes, and in the 10th standard only, along with the nervous system and endocrine system, you are going to learn in the 10th standard itself the brain structure, okay. You are going to learn about brain structure, brain diagram, as well as you are going to learn about the reflex arc, nervous system, the typical structure of a neuron, as well as you are also going to learn about the endocrine glands. Clear with this particular second chapter? control and coordination. So in this particular chapter you are going to learn about the nervous system and endocrine system. Along with this you are going to learn about the structure of the brain and its functions, as well as you are going to learn about endocrine glands and reflex arc and structure of the neuron. These are the main core topics which you will learn in the 10th standard. But when it comes to the 12th standard for the NEET preparation, there you are going to learn about, okay, chemical coordination and integration. The same chapter, control and coordination, it is a chapter name in your 10th standard, but the same basics are involved in the 12th standard also. There you are going to learn about chemical coordination and integration. In this particular chapter, you will learn completely about the endocrine system, its hormones, okay, what are the hormones it is going to be secreted, and its disorders, okay, these are all the things you are going to learn in your 12th standard, my dear students. So see how the second chapter is going to be linked directly with the NEET. So this is also one of the most important chapter to build your strong foundation for your NEET preparation, my dear students, okay. Control and coordination is the most important chapter. So you will learn the basics which are required for your NEET preparation, okay. You will understand here itself what is endocrine system and what is nervous system, and here itself you are going to learn about the structure of the brain, and same topics are present in your 12th standard also. There you are going to learn in the chapter of chemical coordination and integration. Yes, in this particular chapter you will learn briefly how the endocrine system is going to work, what are its hormones and what are its secretions, okay, and what are the main hormonal disorders. These are all the things you are going to learn in your 12th standard. So this is also one of the high weightage chapter for the NEET. So you are going to build your strong foundation now itself in the 10th standard. Yes. Yes. Now we are going to look into the third chapter of your 10th standard. Yes. So how do organisms reproduce? So this is the third chapter. So here in this chapter you are going to learn about the reproduction, types of reproduction like sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction in plants as well as in animals. When it comes to the plants, you are going to learn about the vegetative reproduction and artificial propagation like grafting, layering, okay. And the next you are also going to learn about the fragmentation, budding, binary fission, regeneration. These all are the asexual types of reproduction present in the plants. As well as you are also going to learn in the 10th standard itself about the human reproduction, okay. You are going to learn about the male reproductive system as well as the female reproductive system. These are the main core topics which are important and which is going to form the base for the NEET preparation. So in the 10th standard only you are going to cover the reproduction in humans as well as reproduction in plants. Yes. So now look into this particular column. Yes. So when you are going to start your NEET preparation, then you need to focus on the menstrual cycle, fertilization, yes, vegetative propagation, cloning, okay, all starts here and elaborated in NEET syllabus. Okay, it means these all are the topics, okay, which you are going to study now, but same topics are given, okay, the same topics are extended and same topics are expanded in and elaboratively they are explained for the NEET preparation also, okay. So these are the topics which you will study in the 10th standard itself as well as the same topics you are going to study in the 12th standard itself, my dear students. Yes. So now look into the fourth chapter, heredity and evolution. So when it comes to the evolution, you are not going to study in the 10th standard because the evolution chapter, okay, the evolution topics like fossils and everything, it has been deleted in the 2025, okay. So only you are going to learn about the heredity in the 10th standard, but when it comes to the foundations, okay, but when it comes to the basics levels for the NEET preparation, there you are going to cover, yes, in this particular heredity chapter, you are going to learn about the genetics, okay. Evolution is completely deleted for your 10th standard CBSE syllabus, but when it comes to the NEET preparation, yes, related to this heredity, in 10th standard you are going to cover the basics, okay. You will cover the basics. Which type of basics? Yes, those are Mendelian laws, monohybrid cross, dihybrid cross, sex determination, all are direct NEET MCQ topics. Yes, look into these particular statement, my dear students. Then you are going to get a complete clarity how actually the 10th is base, okay, how actually the 10th standard is crucial and important for NEET preparation. See, look into this, all are direct NEET MCQ topics, okay. So which chapter? Yes, heredity, okay. Heredity is one of the most high weightage chapter for the NEET preparation, because many MCQs, okay, many questions are going to be appeared from this particular chapter, and this is one of the very dry topic, I can say, my dear students. So when you are thorough and perfect from now, then easily it becomes easy for you to crack all the different types of questions when you are going to be appeared for the NEET. Yes, so in this heredity you are going to cover the basics. Yes, you are going to cover the basics of Mendelian laws, monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross, as well as you are going to learn about the sex determination, and these all are going to frame a direct questions for the NEET MCQs. Okay, from these particular chapters only you are going to solve the NEET MCQs. Okay, it is a directly linked chapter, my dear students. Yes, so here class 10th introduces Darwin's theory, and same topic is extended into evolutionary evidences and speciation in NEET. Okay, so here whatever the basics you are going to study about the, yes, these Darwin's theory, same you are going to learn again in your NEET preparation also. Yes, yes, now look into this sustainable management of natural resources. So students, again in the 10th standard the sustainable management topic is deleted, but you need to learn only about the natural resources. Okay, so regarding this you are going to learn about environmental issues. So here you are going to cover different types of topics like conservation, okay, conservation of forest, fossil fuels, okay, which is going to align, which is linked with the NEET environmental biotechnology and sustainable development. But now in the 10th standard you are not going to learn about the fossil fuels. Previously in the 2024 biology syllabus, there you are going to learn about sustainable development, as well as you used to study about the evolution. But now these two topics are completely deleted. So please follow the 2025 edition, okay, go with that particular 2025 edition reference books, okay. Yes, if you want to prepare for the NEET, go with that particular types of books, okay. Yes, topics like water conservation, forest, okay, and fossil fuels align with the NEET environmental biotechnology and sustainable development, okay. In these particular chapters you are going to cover all these topics. And now look into this, our environment. Yes, it is completely about the ecology, okay, it is completely about the ecology and ecosystem. So here this chapter will be of very easy, but you need to understand the concept to solve the numerical type of questions, my dear students. So ecology is very easy to understand, but it is conceptual oriented. Yes, so look here, this particular chapter, our environment, where you are going to study about ecology and ecosystem, it is important for NEET's ecology unit, okay. Again same chapter you are going to study in ecology, okay. Ecology is a chapter which is included in the NEET syllabus, where this chapter you are going to study in the 12th standard, okay. So in the ecology unit you are going to cover all the topics like food chain, trophic levels, energy pyramids, biotic and abiotic components, okay, as well as you are also going to study about different types of ecosystems, okay. But now in the 10th standard you will get the basic idea on what is the food chain, what are the food webs, and how the energy is going to flow from one trophic level to the another trophic level, as well as you are going to learn about the energy pyramids, biotic and abiotic components. These all basics you are going to learn in 10th standard, but same basics are included in the chapter of ecology, which you are going to study in the 12th standard. Yes, so also, okay, so this ecology is also going to include biomagnification and waste management, okay. So here again you are going to learn about biomagnification and waste management, okay. These are the chapters where you are going to learn the simple definitions and simple concepts, but again they are elaborated in your NEET, okay. So until now we have seen nearly 5 to 6 chapters. Okay, we have seen and we have analyzed the 6 chapters and how these chapters are directly oriented to the NEET. Okay, so this is a proper strategy that you all need to note down and you all need to start if you want to crack your national level examination called as NEET. Yes. Yes, students. So now look into here, how to study class 10th biology with NEET in mind. Okay, so how you need to start your preparation. So if your goal is to become a doctor, and what is the strategy and what is the right path to start and what are the steps, let's look into this particular slide. Yes. So students, understand but don't memorize. Okay, understand the concepts but just don't blindly by heart all the diagrams and all the NCERT lines. So just understand how the mechanism is going to take place. Okay, so in the biology subject, you need to understand the concepts instead of by hearting each and every line from your NCERT guide. So how means here, focus mainly on the mechanisms. Okay, example, how nephrons filter the blood and what is the mechanism of breathing. Okay, what is the mechanism behind the respiration. So you need to learn in this particular way. Okay, you need to understand the mechanisms to crack all the type of MCQs. Yes, next, master NCERT diagrams like structure of heart, human brain, neuron and reflex arc. So these all are the main key focus areas for your 10th standard. Okay, so these all are the NCERT diagrams which are present in your 10th standard. So when you are thorough with these particular diagrams, you are going to get a direct questions based on these only, my dear students. So please be in focus and be thorough with the NCERT diagrams. Master all the NCERT diagrams. Yes. So use concept linking. Yes. After finishing class 10th topics, okay, refer to the class 11th NCERT chapters that extends to those concepts. Yes. So from the starting itself we are discussing, we are connecting the topics, okay, which are present in the 10th standard and we are connecting, okay, from then onwards we are learning how actually the 10 chapters are linked with the 12th and 11th standard. Okay, so you need to learn, you need to maintain the continuity in your academics. You need to learn each and every topic by linking it from the basic level to the advanced level, my dear students. So this is a proper strategy. You need to understand each and everything. Okay, instead of learning the chapter tissues first, okay, for example, I am just guiding you. Instead of learning the chapter tissues, you need to understand how tissues are formed and what are the different types of tissues. Okay, to understand all these concepts, you need to be perfect in the first chapter of your 9th standard, that is called as Cell, the Fundamental Unit of Life. Okay, when you are perfect with the cell biology, then you are going to understand how the tissues are formed. Okay, this is the actual way that you need to follow. Yes, clear with all these particular main key points. Okay, first understand but don't memorize. First try to practice all the NCERT diagrams as well as then use the concept linking. Learn the concepts always by linking it from the basics level to the advanced level, and the next practice the application based MCQs. Yes. So this is the most important, my dear students. Okay, when you are going to solve these particular application type of questions, okay, so you are going to solve this in your case study questions. Okay, when you want to score top marks in your case study questions, then you need to link the concept with the real life application based. Then only you are going to crack all such different types of MCQs. And same practice, okay, same practice is going to be helpful for your NEET level MCQs also. When you are going to be perfect in case study questions, when you are going to be perfect to solve all the different types of case study questions, then it shows that you are perfect for your NEET preparation also. Then you can solve the NEET level MCQs also. But you need to connect the concepts from the basics level and you need to connect the concepts for the real life application skills also. Yes. Yes. So students, I request to all of you that please just take the screenshot of it. Okay, yes, I'll just give you 1 minute and just quickly take the screenshot of it and then later I am going to explain you, my dear students. Yes, so look here, these are the class 10 chapters, life processes, control and coordination, reproduction, heredity and environment. These are the damn sure topics, okay, these are the damn sure topics where you are going to learn again in your 12th standard also, and these are the main base. Okay, these chapters are the main basement for all of you, where you are going to learn the basics, okay, where you are going to learn the basics of NEET preparation, okay. Yes, so look into this. These are the chapters of your 10th standard and these are the chapters of NEET NCERT class 11th and 12th. These are all the chapters of class 11th and 12th, and these chapters, okay, and in these chapters already you are going to learn the basics from these 10th standard. So look here, breathing and exchange of gases, body fluids and circulation, excreted air products, okay. So here just simply what you are going to learn, you are going to learn about excretion, circulation, transportation and respiration. These all four main core topics you are going to study in the first chapter of 10th standard, that is called as life process. So see how amazing and how extremely it is good to all of you to learn the basics in 10th standard, right? Yes. So neural control and coordination, chemical coordination and integration. So this is completely a nervous system and it is completely the endocrine system. Regarding this nervous system and endocrine system, you are going to study in 10th standard second chapter, that is control and coordination. Yes. So now next look into this reproduction in organisms and human reproduction. This is the chapter of your 11th standard, as well as you are going to learn about the human reproduction in class 12th of your NCERT chapter, but same, okay, same topics you are going to learn in basics levels in 10th standard in the chapter of reproduction. Yes. So now look into these last 4th and 5th chapter, heredity. Okay, regarding heredity, you are going to learn in 12th standard in the chapter of principles of inheritance and variation. So this is also one of the high weightage chapter to score the top marks in your NEET examination. Okay, most of the MCQs are going to be very tricky. They are going to be appeared very tough from this particular chapter only, my dear students. Yes. So environment, regarding environment, you are going to learn in ecosystem, biodiversity and conservation in your NEET, okay, in your NEET NCERT chapters, which is related to class 12th. So this is a complete most important information to all of you who are going to score top marks in your CBSE boards as well as in your NEET preparation. So if your goal is extremely to become a doctor, then you need to follow these particular strategy from the 10th standard itself. So these are the main core chapters which are included in the 10th, and same chapters you are going to learn in the same chapters you are going to learn in class 12th also, my dear students. So this is a way how you are going to connect the concepts from the basics level to the advanced level. So keep in mind that when you are going to prepare for your 10th standard board examinations, keep in mind that you are going to prepare for your NEET examination as well. Yes, like, share and subscribe to NEET World.